the...
Vietnam is the 6th. Dapat nga ano yan eh. Dapat nga 7. Brunei almost made it. They just had some problems lang. But you have to we have to side story ko na lang. We have to commend the Southeast Asian Basketball Association. This group now is very much active. They're really trying to develop and be more visible. They're trying to make ano ba tawag doon? We have to keep basketball relevant in our area. And with the help, ang maganda naman sa atin, being the Philippines, mataas ang pagtingin nila, no? Not only in players, but in the way our coaches and also our organization, our federation in setting all these other programs outside of the national team. But they look up to us and we advise them naman for when they ask for help. And yun, so I tip my hat off to the Southeast Asian Basketball Association, so yung SEABA for being conscious and in trying to develop basketball further in our
Basketball
region.
is growing in Southeast Asia. By the way, who is the head of SEABA? What country?
Vietnam.
Hindi Philippines, Vietnam?
Yeah. I'm actually part of the board pa ng SEABA.
Yes.
I used to be a vice president, pero rank naman is not it's now I'm a member. I'm just one of the board. But for as far as leadership, maano naman eh, we still look up to the FIBA Asia guidelines also. Pero maganda lang this group now. We've had every 4 years. So this group has been together for going our second term na together. So mukhang nakakilala na, tapos talagang ganado sila.
Okay. Yes, Ivan, PNA.
Sir Butch,
Yes,
mention nga na just a corollary to Adri's question. So, ano yung real story bakit nalipat sa Pampanga at hindi sa Batangas yung SEABA? Nangyari?
Siguro it's more of the availability of the venues para I think it was just that. It was just the availability. Pero talagang tinitignan mo naman lahat ng possible venues, no? So it was not just when we do our plans, it's not just focused on one, but we had different venues. Of course, we tried to get Batangas, but then venue availability was something that we had to take into consideration.
So for one more time, kasi there's a game between Converge and Ginebra on Saturday. Would that be a test event of SEABA or wala lang yun?
Wala.
Wala
Pero walang kinalaman sa amin, yung game ng PBA, siyempre naman, mas magaling sila. Hindi na kailangan ng test event si PBA, and we'll be using different tool. So, our setup will be different, and si PBA, titignan na siyempre, we will take a look. Sabi nga ni Gov Delta na may i-host siya. So, ang Pampanga is very confident with doing all these things.
Thank you.
Good morning, Gampera, Sports Corner PH. Sir Butch, with regards na sa preparations natin ng Pampanga LGU natin, through the efforts of Governor Delta Pineda, the birthday boy, ano yung sabihin nating pinaka-concerns ninyo when it comes sa security, sa mga iba't ibang mga aspects natin?
Well, like every time I always think of the worst scenario, no? So, we have to always tighten security. Tandaan natin, these are minors. We have to make sure that the food that we feed them are okay. The food that we feed them is very it's top quality. And then, of course, you experience the games. Kailangan masaya talaga ang games. And I'm hoping we've hosted, like when we hosted the bubble before in Pampanga, nag-mobilize tayo ng security, medical, all the things necessary in having all these games to push through, inaayos na natin. And I think we've covered all the aspects na kailangan natin na pag-isipan at pagpreparahan. Ang ano na lang, ang execution na lang ang inaasahan natin na everything's executed to almost near perfection.
And bukod pa sa security, huwag natin kakalimutan yung weather condition natin because in the recent days, minsan mainit ng sobra, mataas ang heat index, tapos may mga biglang umulan na malalakas na ulan, pagkulog, pagidlat nga dito sa iba't ibang lugar sa Metro Manila. Naka-prepared na ba yung ating mga organizers natin to make sure weather-wise tuloy pa rin yung
Well,
ating
yes, of course. Ang ano naman natin, that's one thing that we can't control, no? Weather. Pero we have also contingents for that. Hindi naman natin itutuloy ang laro kung magkakaroon ng konting, if we see that it is not safe to continue with the games. But as far as playing conditions are concerned, we will ensure and we guarantee that the playing conditions will be at its best all the time. Very much standard. Whether umulan, whether mainit, ang playing condition natin should be standard.
And last question, of course, alam mo naman po natin, this will be held at the countryside sa Pampanga. Do you think sa mga susunod pa, mga international events, well, of course, importante kasi yung, of course, Metro Manila is the center lagi ng iba't ibang mga international competitions. Do you think na itong pagdaraos na ng U16 Siaba ay para at least bigyang alaga rin, of course, yung ating pag-uus din sa iba't ibang mga probinsya o Manila para ma-witness natin yung mga kababayan doon, yung world-class international sporting action na kagaya nitong Siaba U16.
Yes, actually that's a very good point, no? Sana nga we don't concentrate in hosting, alam mo yung hosting, no? Hosting international tournament. Dapat talaga we should spread these events, whether basketball, football, volleyball, baseball, and all the other sports natin sa iba't ibang lugar. Laki-laki ng Pilipinas eh. Dami-dami. We're 7,000 plus islands.
7,600.
7,600. I'm sure there are other places that are willing to host. And para ma-experience naman ng mga kababayan natin dun sa iba't ibang lugar na mag-cheer. Paano mag-cheer para sa mga atleta natin na, di ba, ng Pilipinas to be able to support our athletes.
Chairman, another question. Has there been an ocular inspection of the venue? Is there any concerns